Hey there, welcome. If you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or just tired of waiting hours for your clothes to dry, this compact little machine might completely change your routine. The S3 Compact Clothes Dryer is small, but it's built to do some seriously impressive work. Right away, what makes this stand out is the perfect balance between size and performance. With a 1 cubic foot capacity and 1050W power, it's designed to handle everyday clothes efficiently without taking up valuable space. You can literally place it on a table or countertop, making it ideal for tight living setups. It's not just about drying, it's about smart drying. This unit uses multiple temperature and humidity sensors to automatically detect when your clothes are dry and stop the cycle, saving energy and protecting your fabrics. You also get 8 drying modes, including special care for delicate fabrics like silk, plus adjustable temperature settings and timed drying options. That means whether it's everyday wear, towels, or something more sensitive, you've got control. And here's something really cool. This dryer includes a shoe drying rack and non-rotating mode, so you can safely dry shoes or delicate items without tumbling them around. It's a small feature, but super useful in real life. The stainless steel drum and dual motor system help improve airflow and drying efficiency, while built-in filters capture lint, dust, and hair to keep everything clean and running smoothly. Best part? There's no installation needed. No venting, no drainage, just plug it in and start drying. Now realistically, like most compact dryers, it works best with smaller loads, but for daily essentials, it's incredibly convenient and saves you from laundromat trips or long air drying times. If you want a space-saving, easy-to-use dryer that actually gets the job done without complications, this is a solid pick. Click the link below for best price and check it out for yourself.